guys, welcome back. We are doing the chapter acid bases and salts और इस chapter को हम कर रहे थे अपने foundation batch में. Now students, like we have seen all the topics regarding acids, all the topics regarding bases. We have completed the concept or we have taken a very good understanding of acids and bases. Now the third topic, that is your salts, has to be done today, right? So in this session we'll be doing the different types of salts, where they are found, right? ऐसे कुछ छोटी छोटी, and what are the important ones. And after that we'll be doing the your important compounds such as your NaCl, NaOH, etc. And in later sessions we'll be completing the rest of the compounds such as baking soda, washing soda, then your plaster of Paris. So all these things, and one more definition will be there, that is water of crystallization. So all these things have to be done in the next session, and for this session we'll be doing salts. So let's start with the session. So salts, what are salts? See, we have seen in an example or in a reaction of neutralization in which your HCl or your acid reacts with NaOH, that is base, okay? And there is a formation of a compound which is known as NaCl, and this NaCl is nothing but a salt, right? So what we can say, or what we can define, or how we can define salt is, it is an ionic compound which is formed by the replacement of hydrogen ions from the acid by a cation. Simple, right? Easy to understand. I'll just write it so that it will be easy to remember also, right? So salts are the ionic compounds which are formed by the replacement of hydrogen ions from an acid by a cation, right? By a cation. So let's understand with the help of example. We have seen the neutralization reaction, right? And we have seen neutralization reaction of HCl and NaOH, out of which we have obtained NaCl and H2O. Clear? यही हमें मिला था? Okay. So we'll just label it. This is your hydrochloric acid. This is your sodium hydroxide, or in very general term it is known as caustic soda. ठीक है? ऐसा नहीं होता कि एसिड ही हार्मफुल है, बेसिस भी हार्मफुल होते हैं. तो ये NaOH भी थोड़ा मोड़ा हार्मफुल तो है, थोड़ा मोड़ा नहीं, काफ़ी हार्मफुल है. अगर आपको टच हो जाए तो आपका स्किन जल जाएगा, ठीक है? तो छाले पड़ते पड़ते पूरा स्किन निकल जाए ऐसा, ठीक है? सो दिस इज योर एसिड, दिस इज योर बेस, एसिड एंड बेस. क्लियर? नाउ व्हाट वी हैव सेड कि जो हाइड्रोजन आयंस है, मार्क इट सो दैट इट विल बी इजी फॉर यू टू रिकॉग्नाइज, ठीक है? ये जो हाइड्रोजन आयंस है, so that means this from acid is replaced by a cation. See, Na or Na+1 is a cation, so I can say hydrogen is replaced by Na so that NaCl is formed. Hence this definition goes true, that is salt क्या होता है? एक ऐसा कंपाउंड जो कि हाइड्रोजन आयन के रिप्लेसमेंट से हुआ है. हाइड्रोजन आयन के रिप्लेसमेंट में कौन आता है? तो कैटायन. कैटायन कौन होता है? तो आई शुड जस्ट राइट इट ओवर हियर, पॉजिटिव आयन. फॉर एग्जाम्पल अ मेटालिक आयन Na+, K+, एक्सेट्रा, राइट. सो ये हो गया आपका डेफिनेशन. इस डेफिनेशन के हिसाब से हमें मिला है NaCl और दिस NaCl इज नोन एज सोडियम क्लोराइड. ठीक है. So this is the salt. Now let's understand the different types of salts. This was the definition. I hope you might have written also, and make sure that each and every word and example of the session is very clear to you. So now let's move to the exact topic, that is the classification of salt. Now let's start with the classification. Classification of salts. So this is the topic of the day, important one, right? For today at least. Okay. So there are two ways by which we can classify a salt. The first way of classification is on the basis of formation of salt. ठीक है. So what is the basis or the criteria for the classification is on the basis of formation of salt, right? So as per this criteria, there are 3 types of salt. How many? 3 types of salt. So let's understand them one by one. The first one is acid salt. Acid salt. So what are acid salt? ठीक है. So I'll write the definition first and then I'll explain you about it. ठीक है. So acid salts are the salts formed by partial replacement of hydrogen ion from a acid by cation. So let's take an example. ठीक है. So for example, there is an acid H2SO4. ठीक है. So we'll understand with the help of this example. This acid should be replaced by some cation. Let's say Na, right? So cation can be a metal atom, right? So this metal atom will be converted to an ion which is positive in nature, so it will be a cation, right? So on the formation of this, I'm not balancing it, I'm just giving you an example. Okay. So when, for example, there is only replacement of one, that is only replacement of one hydrogen ion out of the 2, that means क्या हुआ है यहाँ पे हुआ है partial replacement, right? देखो, 2 था हाइड्रोजन, कितना हाइड्रोजन? 2 हाइड्रोजन था, दोनों को निकलना चाहिए था हाइड्रोजन आयन के फॉर्म में, but if both are not been replaced by a cation, only a single hydrogen is replaced, then this salt which is formed here, which is also known as sodium bisulfate, is an acidic salt. Why we call it an acidic salt? Because इस salt के पास टेंडेंसी है अभी भी एक हाइड्रोजन आयन लूज करने की, और जो हाइड्रोजन आयन लूज करता है वो होता है एसिड, और ये एक सॉल्ट भी है, इसी वजह से इसे हमने कहा है एसिड सॉल्ट. आई थिंक ये जो डेफिनेशन है is very clear to you. That is a salt which is formed by the partial replacement of hydrogen ion from acid by cation is termed as your acid salt. Clear? Okay. So this was the first category as per the formation of salt. Okay? So the next category is base salt. Base salt. Okay? Now in the same way जैसा definition इधर है वैसा ही definition इधर भी आएगा. Clear? Now when there is a partial replacement of OH minus ion, then there is a formation of base salt. Clear है? जैसा आपने देखा हाइड्रोजन आयन का रिप्लेसमेंट बिल्कुल वैसा ही आपका आएगा बेस में हाइड्रोक्सिल आयन का रिप्लेसमेंट. सो लेट्स राइट द डेफिनेशन टू द सेम. बेस सॉल्ट्स आर द salts formed by partial replacement of hydroxyl ion. For example, what will be the example? The example will be CaOH. Yeah, you can write OHCl. Okay. So in this case, this is also a salt which is basically not completely ionized because OH minus ion is still present in this. One more example which is very very familiar to you is the basic copper to carbonate. CuCO3. This is your copper carbonate. But when it is basic in nature, so it is basically your CuOH twice attached with the same. So since in this complete salt there is OH minus ion present, hence this will be again able to neutralize an acid. Hence this is a base salt. Clear? The third category according to your formation of salt is your normal salt. So let's quickly go through it. Now the third category, that is normal salt. Normal salt. The name itself suggests a salt which is completely ionized or normal in nature. ना ही acid है ना ही base है. Clear? So what we'll be writing are the or normal salts are the salts formed by complete ionization of hydrogen, or you can say complete ionization of ionizable hydrogen ion. Okay? So for this you have a number of examples. For example, when we say H2SO4 plus NaOH and it forms Na2SO4, that is your sodium sulfate, is known as your normal salt. Okay? So this is your sodium sulfate. Clear? Is this clear? So these are the three types of salt as per the basis of formation of salt. Now the second type of categorization or type of classification is dependent on the basis of pH of salt. So what about, like when we say pH of salt, it means कि कोई salt acidic होगा nature में बट उसमें H+ आयंस नहीं है, ठीक है. सो वो कैसे होगा, लेट्स सी. ठीक है, सो लेट्स सी द सेकेंड basis. The second basis or criterion for classification of salt is on the basis of what? It is on the basis of pH of salt. So pH of salt. So let's understand it quickly. ठीक है. So the first type of salt will be in this category is salt made of strong acid and weak base. ठीक है. So a type of salt which is made of or which is made by the neutralization reaction between the strong acid and a weak base. This is the first category of salt. So this could be understood by a simple example. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पर definition लिखने की जरूरत नहीं. Why? Because the name itself, the heading itself suggests कि what exactly I am talking about, right? So let's take an example. So example can be taken as HCl plus. HCl plus weak base, if you say it is your NH3, right? This is your weak base, you can take as an example. So it is a strong acid and this is a weak base. So when they combine, they form NH4Cl. So when you check the pH of it, the pH will be always somewhere near to acid or less than 7. देखो salt होता है neutral, then the pH of a salt should be 7. But when it is less than 7, we can say it is somewhere acidic salt. ठीक है. So whenever there is a salt made of strong acid and weak base, the pH will always come to acidic. So we can term it as acidic salt, right? So this is your acidic salt. ठीक है. So this was your hydrogen chloride. This is your ammonia, right, which is giving an acidic salt or ammonium chloride. Second type of salt under this category is salt made of weak acid and strong base. ठीक है. So whenever there is a salt made of weak acid and strong base is known as somewhere basic in nature. ठीक है. So whose pH will be basic, right? So let's take an example. So weak acid can be any of the organic acid which you consume, जैसे कि citric acid हो सकता है, vinegar हो सकता है, कुछ भी. So I'll take vinegar, that is acetic acid, because the formula of it is very simple to remember, right? So CH3COOH, this is your vinegar or acetic acid, right? And this acid when combines, this is a weak acid, and when it combines with a strong base such as NaOH and the neutralization reaction occurs, then the result of it will be your CH3COONA, which will definitely give basic pH. Clear है? So water is also released as this is a neutralization reaction. ठीक है. So here weak acid and strong base when neutralize each other form a basic salt. Why? Because यहाँ पे strong base था. ठीक है. तो जब भी आप pH चेक करोगे तो pH हमेशा basic आएगा. This is clear, right? So there are two more types of salt as per this categorization. So let's move on that. Now the third category is, you can say third and fourth category can be understood very simply, that a salt formed from strong acid and strong base. Okay, let's take an example. For example, this is your strong acid, this is your strong base, and the salt formed will be neutral, that is NaCl. So pH will be 7. Clear? So this is a neutral salt, right? So hence we can say this is the third category of salt. Take care. Fourth category, you can say salt formed from weak acid and weak base. So in this you will come to know कि हमारे पास क्या है, weak acid है और weak base. So we'll take an example of weak acid as CH3, COOH and weak base as NH3. ठीक है, तो the salt formed will be CH3, COO, NH3. Is it? No, it is NH4. ठीक है, because यहाँ पे जो H है it is getting combined with NH3 forming an ammonium ion and then a salt. Clear? So again ये भी weak acid है, ये weak base है, तो बना क्या? Neutral salt. So this was the classification or categorization on two bases. First was the formation, second was the pH of the salt. So you just, I think you might have cleared these things. If you have any doubt, you can ask. These are very simple topic. And after this, we'll be doing the different important compounds such as NaCl, NaOH, etc. in the next session. For this session, that's it. So we'll meet in the next session. Till then, bye bye.